Hello sir, this is my sixth experiment which is using SMS. So in this experiment what I have done is like I have first of all in the main activity I have created two buttons named Bridge Today and Birth. So I have typecasted according to the button and then I have used find view by ID method and given particular IDs named button and button 2. So for the particular methods I have given particular buttons I have given a method set on click listener for registering and handling it, and I have used an intent and an intent object for it, which consists of two attributes. First is its running environment. Here I have given it as get application context, and then the class which is used to be run it after that button is clicked. So for reg today I have used a registered class, and for birth same happens. I have used a birthday class. So we will see first of all the register class over here. So for the register class what I have done is I have used certain edit text. I have typecasted it and one button is there name as register. So first of all for the register button I have given a set on click listener method. In this method I have used input method manager, which used to manage all those variables over there, and then I have use three variables for this. First is the name, phone number and the contact number. Phone number and the birth date of the particular person. These three are got through the getText method. It's converted to toString and it's saved in the local variables A, B and C. And as we can see, there are only three variables, that is name, contact number and the birth date. So we check here once that if all these three variables are present or not. As we can see, the loop is like it starts from 0 and if it's less than 3. So if this loop is iterated, we check for a condition, we check for a method known as check for null. So here in the up we can see that the check for null method checks whether if the particular variables are empty of its null, then there will be an error message set as known as field is required, that any of the fields are missing, it's required, and would set an automatic flag to false and to return a false value. Else if all the fields are set, all the mandatory fields are set, then it will return a true. And further down we see that all the three variables are split by according to the slash value, and then it is given to a database handler object database handler method, and it's provided to an add method which we can see in the database handler class, and then it is further intended to the main activity. So we next see the database handler class. So here in the database handler class we create the table name as birthday, and we provide the necessary variables like name, date of birth, phone and all those their data types and the particular size which they can be provided with. So first of all when we add on to a particular birthday, we use it, we keep it in a get writable database mode, and one by one we put the name, date of birth, phone number, birthday, all those things one by one we insert it, and we close it finally so that this writable mode cannot be used further. So next method is a view all method, where we can see all those birth dates which we have registered already. So one by one we put all those methods here, and then by select star from birthday we are able to see all those birthdays which we have registered from the starting, and by move to next method we can see it row by row. So next method is the match method, which checks whether a particular person's birthday matches with the current date or not. So this can be seen by the row query, and inside which we have written a query like select star from birthday, where d minus can be a particular the present date, and if it's so then we are able to see the contact of the particular person and the details of the particular person. So further to the last part, it's a part where we are able to send a SMS to a particular person if the birthday exists. So we are using here a database handler object, text view and SMS, and further we checks out a calendar here. We get the instance calendar and we can get the date and month over here, and we check here whether if the date matches with the current date. If the birthday matches with the current date, then there will be a toast raised, and it says that it's somebody's birthday and it's a present person's birthday who is having his birthday or her birthday. And then we will having the toast known as click to send wishes to that particular person. These are all the codes which is used from our mobile to be sent an SMS to the particular person, which uses the address, that is a phone number for the particular person, so that we may send it. And then there is an SMS body which tells which has a common message for everybody as happy birthday, may God bless you. And then finally it will have a try catch method which tells that if an SMS fails due to any reason, such as you have a low balance, or whether you might be having some error, so there would be an dose arise in such cases known as SMS fail. And if there would also be a condition where in a present date nobody has his or her birthday, so like that how is the code goes. So this is the app, this is how the app looks. There are two buttons, today's birthday list and new birthday registration. So for the new birthday registration, I it has got three variables: name, date of birth and contact number. So for now I give a name here as Shraddha. I give her date of birth as 11/11/1995. I give her contact number. So here we can see I have put a name Shraddha. Her current date is I have set as a birthday, so that I may be able to send the message, a contact number, and then I have clicked on to add a reminder. It can see that registration is processed and it's been registered. So once when I can see her birthday over here, all those birthday list over here we can see here. And then when we click on to this send birthday wishes, so here what happens, like a message is sent to Shraddha, like happy birthday Shraddha, here is a wonderful Shraddha, have a wonderful year. And this is how I send a message to her, and thus it's sent over here. And this is how my app works. Thank you.